Jade spent the night at my house last night, so I thought I'd wake her up with a funny joke. Shh. Knock, knock!
And I told you a billion times never to wake me up when I'm sleeping. Why is your freak show brother recording this?
So I can put this video on the slap.
What video?
Me telling you a funny joke.
No!
Please.
Okay, just get it over with.
Knock, knock.
Come in.
No. Cut. Knock, knock.
Why is your brother wearing my bra?
Cut. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Purple bathtub.
I hope a purple bathtub falls off a building and lands on you.
Cut. Knock, knock.
Your brother's drooling.
Oh, will you please get a rag and wipe that off your chin?
Knock, knock.
That's my part. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Purple bathtub.
Purple bathtub.
Purple bathtub who?
I don't know, it's your joke.
Cut. Knock, knock. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Purple bathtub.
Oh my god, best joke ever.